Oregon, located in the Pacific Northwest, holds secrets you won't believe. Imagine a landscape shaped by volcanoes, carved by rivers, and cloaked in mystery. Oregon, nestled between the rugged coastline and towering mountain ranges, has always been a land of wonder. But recent discoveries in this iconic American state have unearthed secrets that could change everything we know about its past. From hidden caves to groundbreaking fossil finds, the story unfolding here is as extraordinary as the land itself. As Joe Rogan once remarked, nature has a way of surprising us. The deeper we dig, the more we realize how much we don't know. Today, we're diving deep into Oregon's most astonishing recent discoveries. Buckle up. This is a journey into the unknown. So, what exactly has been uncovered, and why does it matter? Let's explore. A massive underground lava tube system discovered. It all started with an accidental stumble by a group of hikers in central Oregon. Beneath their feet lay a hidden network of lava tubes, natural tunnels formed by flowing lava thousands of years ago. While lava tubes are not uncommon in volcanic regions, this system's scale and complexity are unprecedented. These tunnels stretch for miles beneath the surface, connecting ancient volcanic vents to now dormant craters. Early explorations revealed chambers filled with unique mineral formations, including crystalline structures that shimmer under light. More astonishingly, the caves contained ancient artifacts suggesting they were used by early Native American tribes. Joe Rogan's take on this? You're telling me there are miles of caves under Oregon that we didn't even know existed? That's wild. What else is down there? His sentiment captures the sheer awe of this discovery. The artifacts, tools, pottery shards, and carvings suggest these caves were not just shelters, but potentially sites of spiritual significance. Archaeologists are now working to piece together the lives of those who once ventured into these dark depths. Discovery of ancient lake beds and fossilized creatures. Oregon's dry, high desert region recently yielded another surprise. Paleontologists investigating an ancient lake bed uncovered fossils of creatures that lived millions of years ago. Among them was a nearly complete skeleton of a prehistoric bird, unlike anything seen before. With a wingspan of nearly 20 feet, this bird, dubbed Titan Avian, likely ruled the skies of ancient Oregon. The lake bed also preserved plant fossils, including species that no longer exist. These remnants offer a glimpse into a lush, water-rich Oregon from a time long past. Scientists believe the site could reveal more about the climate shifts that transformed the state over millennia. Imagine a bird so big it could make an eagle look tiny. Joe Rogan mused during a recent podcast. That's some Jurassic Park level stuff right there. Subterranean rivers beneath Oregon's Cascades. While mapping volcanic activity under the Cascade Mountains, researchers stumbled upon a vast underground river system. These hidden waterways stretch for hundreds of miles, carving out massive caverns and sustaining isolated ecosystems. Using advanced technology, scientists explored these rivers and found species of fish and microorganisms that exist nowhere else on Earth. These organisms have adapted to complete darkness and nutrient-poor conditions, raising questions about how life can thrive in such extremes. As Rogan said, it's like finding an alien world on our own planet. What else are we missing? This discovery not only expands our understanding of Oregon's geology, but also offers parallels to potential life on other planets, like Mars or Europa, a lost forest encased in ash beneath layers of volcanic ash near Mount Hood researchers uncovered a lost forest, trees preserved in near-perfect condition after a cataclysmic eruption thousands of years ago. These trees, some still upright, provide a time capsule of Oregon's ancient environment, offering an unparalleled glimpse into the region's ecological past. Buried rapidly under volcanic debris and ash, the forest was shielded from decay and the elements, allowing researchers to study the trees as though they were frozen in time. The preservation is so remarkable that scientists can analyze the growth rings of these ancient trees to reconstruct historical climate patterns with incredible precision. Each ring tells a story of the environment during the tree's lifespan, such as fluctuations in temperature, rainfall, and volcanic impact. This data is invaluable for predicting future environmental changes, offering insights into how ecosystems respond to natural disasters and long-term shifts in climate. In addition to their ecological significance, the trees shed light on the eruption itself, helping volcanologists understand the sequence of events and the magnitude of the explosion. By studying the preserved forest, scientists also gain a better understanding of how volcanic activity influences biodiversity and resilience in forest ecosystems, a topic of increasing importance in today's changing world. Fossilized remains of prehistoric sea creatures. In Western Oregon, excavations revealed fossilized remains of giant marine reptiles that once swam in an ancient sea covering the region. These creatures, resembling modern-day ichthyosaurs, were apex predators of their time, with streamlined bodies built for speed and sharp teeth ideal for hunting prey. Alongside them, scientists unearthed smaller fossils of ancient fish and ammonites, creating a vivid snapshot of a thriving marine ecosystem that existed millions of years ago. The variety and abundance of fossils suggest a complex food web, with these massive reptiles dominating the upper levels of the ancient ocean's food chain. The discovery has ignited debates about Oregon's prehistoric geography and its transformation over time. Was the area once part of a massive inland sea, or was it connected to a larger ocean? To unravel this mystery, researchers are studying the geological layers surrounding the fossils, examining sediment composition, fossil placement, and mineral deposits. These analyses aim to reconstruct the ancient environment and determine the sea's extent and depth. The findings also contribute to a broader understanding of marine reptile evolution and extinction. Fossilized remains, including skeletal structures and rare soft tissue impressions, provide clues about these creatures' adaptations to a dynamic aquatic world, including their rise to dominance and eventual disappearance. A new species of fungus in the Coast Range. Oregon's temperate rainforests are celebrated for their biodiversity, but a recent discovery has left mycologists astonished. A previously unknown species of bioluminescent fungus. Found deep within the Coast Range, this glowing mushroom emits a soft green light, creating an ethereal glow across the forest floor at night. The bioluminescence is not just a visual marvel. It stems from a chemical reaction within the fungus involving luciferin, an organic compound, and luciferase, an enzyme, in the presence of oxygen. This rare phenomenon has inspired awe and curiosity among scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. The glowing mushroom has sparked interest far beyond scientific circles. Public figures like Joe Rogan have weighed in, with Rogan saying, "Mushrooms that glow in the dark? That's straight out of Avatar. We need to protect stuff like this." His sentiment highlights growing awareness of the need to preserve such rare and potentially valuable species. The discovery holds exciting implications for biotechnology. Researchers are exploring the fungus's unique properties for potential applications in sustainable lighting, where its natural glow could reduce energy consumption. Additionally, its bioluminescent mechanisms might offer breakthroughs in medical imaging or diagnostics, making it an exciting subject for further study in both ecological and technological fields. Hidden waterfalls, unveiled by drones. Recent drone surveys of remote areas in Oregon have revealed waterfalls hidden within dense forest canopies, unveiling natural wonders previously unknown even to seasoned explorers. Some of these cascades measure over 200 feet tall, tumbling through untouched wilderness and creating breathtaking spectacles in the heart of the forest. Their isolation has fostered unique microhabitats, supporting rare mosses, ferns, and insects that thrive in the cool, moist conditions created by the constant mist and shade. These delicate ecosystems are living examples of nature's resilience and diversity, harboring species that may exist nowhere else. The discovery has energized conservationists who emphasize the importance of protecting these pristine sites. These waterfalls, untouched by human activity, provide not only ecological value, but also a window into the natural processes that have shaped Oregon's landscapes for millennia. Efforts are underway to secure legal protections for these areas, ensuring that their biodiversity remains intact. Public reaction has been one of awe and appreciation. Joe Rogan captured the sentiment, remarking, "Oregon never stops surprising us. It's like every inch of that place has something magical waiting to be found." The discoveries serve as a powerful reminder of the importance of preserving wilderness, where nature continues to reveal its secrets in the most unexpected places. Meteorite fragments and ancient impact sites. In eastern Oregon, researchers uncovered meteorite fragments embedded in ancient rock layers. These extraterrestrial remnants suggest a significant impact event millions of years ago. Analysis of the fragments reveals rare metals, pointing to their origins from deep within the solar system. Could this impact have influenced the region's geology or even its ancient ecosystems? Scientists are investigating, hoping to unravel the cosmic story hidden in these fragments. Mysterious rock carvings. Near the Columbia River Gorge, newly discovered petroglyphs are sparking interest among archaeologists. These carvings depict scenes of hunting, celestial patterns, and abstract symbols. Some researchers believe they may offer clues about early human migration routes and cultural practices in the Pacific Northwest. The petroglyphs' intricate designs suggest a highly developed artistic tradition, raising questions about the society that created them. Who were these people, and what stories were they trying to tell? Oregon's hidden ice caves. As glaciers retreat in Oregon's mountains, they reveal hidden ice caves carved by meltwater. These caves, some extending for hundreds of feet, are breathtaking natural formations that also offer insights into the region's changing climate. Scientists are studying the caves to understand past and present glacial activity. The caves also serve as stark reminders of the rapid changes occurring in our environment. What other secrets does Oregon hold beneath its surface? Could there be even more caves, fossils, or ancient artifacts waiting to be discovered? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. As Joe Rogan once said, Oregon is a treasure trove of natural wonders. We've barely scratched the surface of what's out there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on more amazing discoveries and hidden wonders from around the world. Hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next adventure.